Hello, and welcome to another update video about ADA. Yeah, only a quick one, because in a few minutes I have to join our member live stream. But I wanted to provide an ADA update before that for everybody. So if you're interested, by the way, in joining that live stream, I mean, when you watch the video, it's likely going to be too late, but you can join the next ones next Sunday, every Sunday at 5 p.m. UTC. But also you can watch the recording that will be available for sure. And we'll talk about, I don't know, probably, tens of dozens of coins in their requests and so on, and general market condition at the moment, which is, you feel the buzz. I mean, there's a lot happening right now. Anyway, ADA chart. So far, the yellow scenario remains preferred. So the wave 4 likely bottomed on the 20th of December. That is still the view. Wave 5 now unfolding. On the shorter time frame, I mean, this is the idea as long as we're holding above support, right? I mean, in yesterday's update I shared with you, we have a support area there to watch within a broader range. I see this here as key support anyway, 64 cents to 76 cents. That's the main support area and probably the most important element on the chart. It's the most important element on the chart right now. Any break below it will challenge the overall bullish thesis and assumption. And hold on. Let's take that off, because any break below 64 will change the overall larger degree pattern. But as long as we're holding above that, you could even say from a larger time frame perspective, everything here, it's just noise. Okay, but we still want to understand the smaller degree patterns, and I can tell you it's not a very stable pattern, but best I can tell is that we are already moving up in a fifth wave. Alternatively, a fourth wave still. Yeah, we dip into that support area. It wouldn't change the overall assumption, but the short-term pattern might be changing. But okay, on the larger time frame, as long as we're holding above that box, everything's fine. Smaller degree, we're moving higher, probably in a diagonal pattern. Other interpretations possible. I could shift the wave to here. Would it change anything? Not so much. So we'll leave it here. And I'd rather point out it might be a diagonal because we can be prepared for sudden shifts in structure. With an impulse, you wouldn't expect that. Now, with this diagonal, the idea is that a C wave could be unfolding right now of a third wave. So we have an A wave, a B wave, and this is now a C wave. Within that C wave, we're tracking 5 waves, 1, 2. The wave 2 pullback is the corrective pullback of the preceding rally. That rally happened. This is a local range here, located between the green line at 1.15 USD and the red line at round about 87.9 cents. And the idea was based on that we can define a support area in that broader range. It's between 92.9 cents and $1.03. And the idea was that if the labeling is correct, and remember that the wave labels are a means to get to the support area. And the support area can be defined based on which wave we're in. And I already told you what it's defined at. And as long as we're holding above that level, this wave 2, which is seen as a corrective pullback in a larger uptrend, this wave 2 should find support there, right? Anyway, in that area. And then we are watching these 4 levels, $1.03, $1.97.2 cents, and 92.9 cents for a possible reaction. And from there, then, a third wave should start. But only if this interpretation is correct, right? So a third wave of a C wave of a third wave, to be precise. And then we'd like to see the market break out above the range. So a break above $1.16 is the next objective for the bulls. And then it should do this, and then at some point, probably here around the 142 level, which is the next larger degree resistance and target, the market might start a fourth wave pullback and then another move up in wave 5, which could target the area around $1.72, and then we'll take it from there. This is only a smaller degree perspective. I'd only have to change this chart and wave count if we get a sustained break below 92.9 cents. Then we can first observe whether the B wave is still unfolding, and next if the larger wave 4 is still unfolding, but all still within an overall bullish interpretation. The warning will be a break below 64 cents. That's the update about ADA. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.